Welcome to another episode of Ham Radio on the Go. And today we're sort of on the go. It's Memorial Day weekend and it's time for an air show. Join us. Okay, welcome back to the channel. And like I said, it's Memorial Day weekend. It's a beautiful weekend in New York. The sun is out. It's right now as I'm filming this, it's the actual weekend, but I hope to get the video out by Memorial Day itself on Monday. Lots to do, beach, parades, and one of the things that I like to either go or listen to is the air show. It's called the Bethpage Air Show at Jones Beach State Park on the south shore of Long Island, adjacent to New York City. And for this Memorial Day weekend, it's going to be the United States Air Force Thunderbirds are going to be headlining the air show on the south shore of Long Island. So one of the things I like to do is listen in on my transceivers, either my HT or my Yaesu FT-857D, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to listen to both, and I'm going to, as time permits, listen to either one or the other, and you're going to hear that. Basically, the Yaesu FT-857D, and in addition to that, it's going to be the Icom IC-T81A. Let's listen into the air show. Enjoy.
4221 descending across Landy 250, flight level 190, Papa. See the storage back to Toronto, Zulu 12 approach. Roger that, like the RMB as well. Sure, thanks. Airbus 4 for Thunder. It's a flight of one of about 3 miles behind the show, but inside of the TFR, headed to the beach line 500 feet below. I'll be clear in about a minute and a half. Thank you. Thanks, sir. You too. Hope to see you soon.
Okay, let's switch gears. Let's take it outdoors. Let's take it out on the go. And I got the Icom IC-T81A. Apologize for the camera angle, but like I said, we are out on the go. So let's continue to listen to the air show. You can actually hear them up in the air.
Land 1951 Hotel Romeo.
Okay, we're listening to the air band, 128.250 megahertz, AM mode. Okay, we're listening to the Republic Tower. Also have a alternate frequency. See if there's any traffic on the alternate. If not, we toggle back and forth to the tower to air. We're using the Icom IC-T81A. Like I said, we're listening out of band. Can't transmit. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Okay, for an antenna, we're using the Diamond SRH 999.
Hi, Red Lake 655, Griffith Visual 19. Hi, direct to the numbers for 19, Red Lake 655. 19, clearly on Red Lake 655.
This antenna was designed for this radio, quad band, but it also has an extended receive. Great for aviation band.
Red Lake 655.
Okay, there you have it. That was just some quick audio clips from the air show, but more importantly, I wanted to wish everyone a happy Memorial Day, and thanks to all those who serve and protect our country, and especially for all those who gave the ultimate sacrifice. We remember those who have fallen, and that's what Memorial Day is all about. Like and subscribe for future videos of Ham Radio on the Go.